Hi everyone, welcome to Kanak Info Systems YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing the different versions of Odoo Enterprise and helping you decide which one best suits your business needs. By versions of Odoo Enterprise, we are referring to the hosting types offered by Odoo. Choosing the right version for your Odoo setup is essential. Each version option offers unique benefits depending on your business size, budget, and customization needs. Let's break down each option for you so you can make the best decision for your business. The number one hosting type is Odoo Online. Odoo Online is a cloud hosted solution managed entirely by Odoo. This option is very easy to set up. It has various benefits like number one, easy setup and use. No need for complex server setup, maintenance, or security worries. Odoo handles it all. Number two, automatic database backups for safety. You always stay on the latest version of Odoo with regular updates. All the maintenance tasks are handled by Odoo, so you don't need to worry about system upkeep. But it has one limitation, that is, Odoo Online users don't have the access to the source code, meaning you can't customize the core code for specific needs or advanced features. The number second hosting type is Odoo.sh. Odoo.sh is a cloud-based platform managed by Odoo, but with greater flexibility and control than Odoo Online. It has various benefits like number one, custom development. Allows you to install custom modules, integrate with third-party applications, and access developer tools. Odoo.sh provides unrestricted app usage, allowing businesses to install and use as many Odoo apps as needed. This flexibility supports diverse business needs and enables full customization without extra limitation. Number three, scalability. It's easier to scale as your business grows without needing extensive server management. Odoo supports you in managing maintenance, giving you help without taking over completely. But it also has one limitation, that is, Odoo.sh requires some resource management, helping businesses prioritize their IT resources and maximize the efficiency of their operations. The number three hosting type is Odoo On-Premises. On-premises hosting allows you to deploy Odoo on your own servers or with a hosting provider of your own choice, giving you full control. It has various benefits like number one, full control and customization. Ideal if you need high levels of customization, security, or data control. Number two, no limitation on app usage. With on-premises deployment, businesses can access and use all Odoo apps without restrictions, allowing for greater flexibility and scalability. With Odoo on-premises, you have complete control over the maintenance. But it also has one limitation, that is, scaling an on-premises solution may require extra resources, giving businesses a chance to thoughtfully plan their growth based on capacity. You can take a screenshot of it if you like it. Choosing the right hosting type is critical for maximizing Odoo's benefits for your business. We hope this breakdown helps you find the best fit. Make sure to subscribe for more Odoo tips and insights and drop any questions in the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.